kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show, guys. Amazing to be in the kitchen giving you your favorite recipes. Anyway, I will be doing you guys a weight loss drink which you can make at home in this time. Alright, basically, if you have some leftover cucumber when you make anything, do not throw it in the bin. Right here, this is it right here. I have half of a cucumber, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you. I'm going to be simple. Remove the skin just like this, and I'm going to show you how you can make yourself a weight loss smoothie recipe. With this weight loss recipe, guys, I'm telling you, you must have to eat healthy at home. Please eat healthy. Don't eat junk food. Don't eat fatty food. Don't use oil. Use spray oil. Forget about coconut oil, olive oil, all of these kind of oil, and use light spray oil. Alright, I've been preaching it and I've been preaching it. If you're interested in weight loss and all these things, yeah. So this is it right here. This is my cucumber. Cut it up and I put it straight inside of my blender, just like this. Alright, now I have a piece of a ginger which I want to use inside of it, and I'm gonna just remove the skin of the ginger. Most people might have said, oh, Chef Ricardo, the skin of the ginger is the most strongest bit. But yeah, we all know that. But you know what I mean, when you're doing certain kind of things, sometimes you have to remove the skin. Alright, now cut out a little piece of a ginger and put it straight inside of your blender. I'm gonna get half of a lemon, and I'm gonna remove the skin from the lemon, and I'm gonna cut it into half and put it straight inside of it, just like that. Alright, this is a recipe for you if you are interested in weight loss, or you know what I mean, say you're a person who want to lose weight, then this come in really handy for you. Alright guys, now I'm gonna say I did quite a few videos on weight loss, honestly. Now I have some fresh mint which I want to share with you, and I'm gonna put the fresh mint inside of it, just like this. Alright, do not put the stem of the mint inside of it. Alright, then what we're going to do, we're going to put roughly about a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. It's a simple drink but effective. Also I have some superfood which you can put some of this inside of it. This is really healthy and good for us, guys. Honestly, it's a chickpea seed, but if you do not have the seed, do not worry yourself. Put roughly about a teaspoon and blend it inside of it. Now we're going to fill this with some water, roughly about half cups of water. Please do not fill it with water if you're using half a cucumber. Alright, now we're just gonna blend it, which is not gonna take long, of about 2 to 3 minutes. As you can see, all of that most important ingredients are inside of it. Alright, so tune in, don't go anywhere, and watch this video. So I'm just gonna be using my glass now and pour that beautiful drink inside of it. So this is a drink, you don't need to drink it with ice. You drink this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, or at night before you go to your bed. Alright, look at that. That is just amazing. Really so simple, easy to make, and nothing really fun, you know what I mean, with this beautiful drink. Alright guys, so as you can see with the drink, please enjoy, subscribe, leave your comments in the description box. And as I say, we have a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team, guys. And this is just really healthy. A lot of people may want to drink it with some like ice or anything, but just drink it natural like that. And also, some people might want to put honey, but to me, my opinion, if you have it just like this, it is much better for you at home. All right, this is a very nice and lovely healthy weight loss smoothie recipe from Chef Ricardo. One more time on the table with you if you want to lose weight, and you know what I mean, if you want to detox your body, cleanse your body, this is a lovely recipe. So tune in and I will see you next time in the kitchen with more recipe. Bye bye.